All right, we have just got short again. It is now 11 o'clock. Again, we were out of the positions this morning, 27.18, somewhere this morning, right around 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock. We finished off that trade. Again, the NASDAQ has come back into value. As you can see, this breakdown area is where we just broke down from. So it's pretty mechanical market profile views right now that we're seeing. And I again am saying that there is a layer here, there's a layer here, there's basically this layer from 2734 up to 2760 that maintains a short representation. The market broke, comes back, breaks, finds the bottom that's been here for a number of days, bounces. So we're really playing ping pong between this 2710 now and 2760 in this 50-point range, less than a 2% zone, until somebody decides to really push this thing outside of this, and that would be over 2770 or below 2700. We're stuck in this zone. So we're right in the middle of it. We've taken another short stab, very small position, and we'll see how it works out. Oil came right to our 95.60 and has now bounced. Wanted to point that out also. So right on the number almost. Came right to 95.54 and now has turned around again. So that trade worked out very nicely, right down to the target that we projected, and we'll be back to see how this plays out. All right, we just took one off, half the position off at 27.25, and we moved the stop to 27.29, so 11.28. This trade has taken, really, we got lucky on getting near the top. It really came to the day's fib area right there at 27.34. We sold at 27.34, and the trade will be off here, and really it's only taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll call it 25 minutes. So 25 minutes for a nice 7-point move. We'll take that any time of the day, and that's on top of the 25 points or so we took this morning on a pretty good sizable position that we have been holding for a couple days. So it's been a good day, and we're probably not going to press too much more unless we see a very obvious setup. And for me, I don't know where that would be at this point. Tomorrow's Friday. We're coming to the end of the week. It's been a fantastic trading week. Range bound again, wide moves, trying to figure out which way we're going next, up or down. A lot of things are saying break, have broken, but really the ES needs to close under 1490 or above 1510. That is yet to be determined. Almost 3 weeks of time pressing in there. So again, our stops will be at 27.29 on the other half, and we'll call that as it is. Dollar again today was the news. This morning the dollar really told us we were going higher in the dollar, and that meant all the indices were going to be under pressure. And you can see this again. We're breaking out on all interim middle time frames right now on the dollar. You can see we're above value here after shaking out a lot of people, but this was not new range down in here. We needed to get below 78.50. So those that understand the multiple time charts that we teach here know very readily that the big picture is still very bullish on the dollar, and it has been for some time. We're really coiling here, and I think we're going to see a powerful move up. That powerful move up we're starting to maybe see today. You can see it on the weekly and even on the daily. If we can start taking out the next level of highs on the dollar on the daily chart, you could really see the U.S. stock markets get hit pretty hard. So keep this in the back of your head as you look forward. So that's it for now. We'll be back again. This trade, we're still holding on just a little bit. We'll be taking out at 27.29, and we'll be back with some thoughts. All right, again, 11:33, trading 27.28. Just kind of stopped trading here. The volume has really fallen off, although we're into that final hour and 45 minutes. 27.28. And again, will the market roll over from here, or will it continue to push back down the direction from whence and where it came earlier this morning after breaking down? There's a lot of overhead now, days of overhead piling up on the NASDAQ. The S&P is not so much, but there's definitely layers 1500 through 1510 that are putting pressure under that market. So that's it. We're taken out of that trade. And again, oil sitting down near the low as it comes into its pit closing hours, and we're back scratch, flat, and waiting to see if there's anything else in this final hour and 45 minutes.